Good morning, dear children. Welcome to maths class once again. Today we will start exercise 1.4. In my previous class I have completed exercise 1.3. So in exercise 1.4 it is about Roman numerals. Okay. So before starting the exercise, first we should know what is this Roman number, how to write these Roman numbers, what are the symbols we use for writing the Roman numbers. Okay. So we use the digits now. We use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 we have the digits. We use these digits to make a number. So these digits, what I said, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These are 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this is used in Hindu-Arabic numeration system. Wherever you see these digits or the number form with the help of these digits are in Hindu-Arabic system. Now, I will use this digit only and I will make, whether I want to make a small number or bigger number, I will use only this digit now. If I want to write 11, I will use 1, 1, 11. If I want to write 36, I will use 3, 6, 36. If I want to write 9736, I have used this digit only to make the number now. I have used this digit only to make the number. So these are the 10 digits we use in the Hindu-Arabic system, in Hindu-Arabic numeration system. Okay, so these are the 10 digits we use in Hindu-Arabic numeration system. This system is known as Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, to make a small number, big number, we use only this 10 digit. Now let's see in Roman numerals how many symbols are there. In Roman numerals there are 7 basic symbols to write any number. There are 7 basic symbols. Okay, like there are 10 digits. We use this digit only to make a number, whether it is a big number, small number. Same way in Roman system also, to write a number, there are 7 basic symbols. Okay, we will use these 7 basic symbols only to make a number, to write a number. Now let's see what are the 7 basic symbols to write a number. In Roman system, to write 1, we write like this, we represent 1 like this. And in Hindu-Arabic system, we write 1 this way. I said 7 basic symbols. I am just showing you the Roman first 7 basic symbols. Then I will teach you how to write the number by using these symbols. Now after 1, the other symbol is 5. And in Hindu-Arabic, we write 5 like this. Then after 5, other symbol is 10. In Roman system, we say this is 10. This is a symbol of 10. In Roman system, this is the symbol of 10. And in Hindu-Arabic, we write like this, 1, 0, 10. Now what is the next symbol? That is L. This L represents 50. What does this symbol represent? 50. In Hindu-Arabic, we write like this. Wherever you see L, it means it is 50. After that, what we have? It is C. C means 100. C means 100. This is symbol of C in Roman system. And in Hindu-Arabic, how we write? 1, 0, 0, 100. Now what is the next symbol? That is D. D represents 500. D is the symbol which represents 500. And then last one is the M. M means 1000. M means 1000. Now let's see one more time. See what I say. In Roman system there are 7 basic symbols to write any other numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 7. Now let's again one more time let's see what this symbol represents in Hindu-Arabic. Okay. I represents 1. V represents 5. X represents 10. L represents 50. C represents 100. D represents 500. M represents 1000. So wherever you see this symbol, you have to remember this also value. Okay, so wherever if you will see C, that means it is 100. Wherever you see L, that means it is 50. So you have to remember this symbol along with their value. Then only you can write the Roman number. Otherwise it will become difficult for you to write Roman number. Now I am going to teach you the rules of writing the Roman number. There are rules of writing the Roman numbers. Okay. So now let's see one by one. Let's see the rules of writing the Roman numerals. Number one rule is that if a Roman numeral is repeated one after the other, then what happens? Their value gets added up. Now this is in Hindu-Arabic system. If I am writing in Roman, it will be like this one. Okay. Now for 2, how I will write? 1. Again I will repeat 1. So what is happening here? See, the Roman numerals has got repeated. So their value will get added up. I said that the values will get added up. 1 plus 1. See here. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. It is in Roman system. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Now in case of 3, how will I write in Roman system? 1, 2, 3. So see there the value gets added up to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. This is 1, 1, 1. So written 1, 1, 1 in Hindu-Arabic. And if I have, after adding what I got 3. Why? Because the Roman numerals one after the other, if it is added, their value gets added up. Okay. Now for 4, how we write 4? Okay, how we write 4? We write first 1, then we write this symbol B. We write 4 this way. Now how we write 5? We write 5B. I have already said you this is the basic symbol of Roman numeral system. And 6 we write like this, 5 and 1. Okay. Now why I have written up to 6? To say you the difference of writing 4, 6. See in 4 how I have written 1, 5. Here I have written 5, 1. Why in this case I have written 1 first and in this case I have written 1 after 5. So now let's see our second rule of writing the Roman numerals. If smaller Roman symbol is written to the left of the greater Roman symbol, this is greater one, B means 5, this means 1. So this 1 has been written before this symbol, that is left to this greater symbol. This 1 is written before this greater Roman symbol. This 1 is of a smaller Roman symbol and this one is of greater Roman symbol. So whenever if you will see that any smaller Roman symbol is written before the greater Roman symbol, then their values get subtracted. This is 1, this is 5. So 5 minus 1. You will do minus only in case if the smaller Roman symbol is written before the greater Roman symbol. If it is written before the greater Roman symbol, if it is written left to this symbol, this one is greater, this one is smaller. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. So understood why we have written like this? Now let's see why we have written 6 like this. 5 then 1. If any smaller Roman symbol is written right to the, this is right side or after the greater Roman symbol, then their values get added up. B means 5, this is 1, so 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, what I say, if smaller Roman symbol is written after or right side of the greater Roman symbol, then their values get added up. This B means 5 plus this is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So this was our second rule, this was our third rule. Number 1 rule we have seen that if a Roman number is repeated, then their values get added up. Number 2 rule we have seen, if the smaller Roman symbol is written before or you can say left side of the greater Roman symbol, then their values get subtracted. 5 minus 1 is 4. And if the smaller Roman symbol is written after or right side of the greater Roman symbol, then their values get added up. Here you can see that 5 plus 1 is 6. So this was your first rule, this is second rule, this is third rule. Okay, now let's see our fourth rule. Now our fourth rule is that if a symbol is combined, like for example, if I am writing this way. Okay, see I have written here in a combined, see I have combined here the symbol, I have written one Roman number. Now let's read and write what is this. Now how I will read? I will read 10 plus 1 plus 5. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. So, am I right while reading like that? No, I am not right. I am wrong because we cannot write like this. We cannot write 10 plus 1 plus 5 is 16. It is wrong. So, what is the correct way of writing this number in Hindu-Arabic system is that if you see, okay, if you see any Roman number, okay, and both the side is of greater value and you see in middle it is of smaller value, one is smaller than this 10 and 5. So what you will do, you will subtract this smaller value from this greater value at the right side. At the right side, not from this. You will not add this. 10 plus 1, you will not do this. It will be wrong. What you will do, if you will see any symbol of a smaller value, you will subtract it from the symbol of greater value at right side. So now see how to write. This is 10. Okay. 10 plus. We will do plus. Okay. But what I said to subtract this. This 10 will be added with this only. Okay. But we have to subtract this because this 1 is of a smaller value and we have to subtract according to the rule from the greater value at the right side, not at the left side. So 5 minus 1, what it will be? 5 minus 1. So 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. So 10 plus 4 is 40. So this has represent 14. What it has represent? 10 and this is 4. 10 plus 4 is 40. Don't add like this. 10 plus 1 plus 5 is 16. Don't do it. It will be wrong. So whenever you see a Roman number and in middle smaller value is there and at right side the greater value is there, both sides will be the greater value, but you will subtract the smaller value from which greater value? The greater value which is at the right side, which is at the right side, this is at the right side. Okay, that is why I have subtracted 5 minus 1. So this greater value will come first, 5 then minus 1. Don't do 1 minus 5, it will be wrong. You have to write first the greater one, 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 40. Okay, and you will remember this also that while writing Roman numbers, you have to also keep in mind that you cannot repeat 5. Okay, you cannot repeat this. Only one time you can write in writing a Roman number. You cannot repeat L. L means 50. You cannot repeat. You cannot repeat D also, guys. Okay. Now why? If we can repeat 5 to 10, for 10 what we write? For 10 we write X. So if we can repeat this 5 to 10, then we can write 10 like this, 5, 5, 5, 5, 10, C. For 10 we write X. We don't write no 5, 5. We don't write 5 plus 5, 10. Because this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. We can only write 5 one time. Now, we cannot repeat L. That means 50 also, twice, thrice, we cannot repeat. So for 100, what we write? For 100, what we write? We write C. We write C for 100. We don't write like this, no, 50 LL. We don't write LL for 100. Do we write LL? Means 50 plus 50. For 100, we write C. Do we write LL for 100? We write L means 50, L means 50. That means 50 plus 50 will be 100. We don't write L 2 times to write the value for 100. We write C. We cannot repeat 5, that is Roman number, this symbol 5, L, L and D twice. We can write only once. Okay. We can repeat 1 of that is Roman symbol. We can repeat C also 100 and we can repeat M, that is 1000. But we don't repeat this 5, this 50 and this value of 500. We don't write LL for 100, so this is wrong and this is right. Okay, for 100 we write C. Okay, so we cannot repeat this symbol. Okay, we cannot repeat this symbol. We can repeat one Roman symbol, we can repeat C also, we can repeat M, that is 1000. But we don't repeat the value for this, V, L and D, that is 5, 50 and 500. We don't repeat this. One thing also remember that to write any Roman numeral, we write any smaller value before the greater value. That means it gets subtracted. For 4 what I said? To write like this. For 4 what I said? To write like this. That means 5 minus 1 is 4. Now if I will think that I will subtract 2 more, then I will make it 3, then I am wrong. We cannot write any smaller value 2-3 times before the greater value. You cannot repeat any smaller value before the greater value 2-3 times. Only one time only you can write. You can write only one time. Okay. After this you can write. Right side you can write 3 times. Right side you can write 3 times. Like this is wrong. For 8, how we write? 5. This means 1, 6, 7, 8. Okay. You can repeat the smaller value after the greater value 3 times, up to 3 times only. Okay. But you cannot write the Roman symbol of smaller value before the greater value 2-3 times. Only one time you can write. Only one time. Not 2-3 times. Like for 9, we write like this. This is 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 10 minus 1 is 9. 9. Okay. Can you see the 1 is of a smaller value and this 10 is of greater value. So smaller value is written before this greater value. That means it will get subtracted. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. So always remember that a symbol of a smaller value written to the left of the greater value only once. We cannot write 2-3 times. We cannot write 2 times. I said already we cannot write like this. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong, but this one is right. We can write after the greater value to the right side 3 times. Okay, but we cannot write before. We can only repeat the symbol of a smaller value once only to the left. Okay, we cannot write like this. This is wrong. So these were the rules I have said you while writing the Roman numerals. Now it will be very easy for you to write the Roman numerals. Now let's start our exercise 1.4. Now the first question of this exercise is C. Number 1, complete the tables. Now see here, there were 2 tables. I have made now this one table. After this I will show you the second table. So these numbers you see is in Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, is in Hindu-Arabic system. We will write this in Roman system. How to write? We will learn how to write this in Roman system. Okay. Now this is Hindu-Arabic system. 1 is written this way. So in Roman number we will write 1 like this. And we will also see here by adding in Hindu-Arabic. So this 1. Okay. Now 2 how we will write? 1, 2. Okay. So here what we will do? 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Now 3 how to write? 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. How to write 4? I have already said you have to write 5. Before this you have to write or after this? You have to write before this. This is the of greater value. This symbol is of greater value. So I have to write a symbol of smaller value before this, because the symbol of smaller value before the greater value gets subtracted. If I write after this, it will get added up. That means 5 plus 1 will become 6. But I want 4. So I will write like this. 5 minus 1 is 4. And how I will subtract this? Don't write again 1 minus 5. It will be wrong. You have to write 5 of greater value first. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Now how to write 5? You already know how to write 5. It is like this. So this way you write 5 and write here 5. Now how to write 6? You will write 5 and you will write after this greater value, that is 1. Because after this it gets added up. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Okay. Now to write 7. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7. That means 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 7. How to write 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. Now how to write 9? Don't write now like this 5. Don't write like this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is wrong. Why? Because I said we can repeat any Roman letter up to maximum time. How much? Up to 3 times only. This 3 times is the maximum time we can write any Roman number. We can repeat any Roman number. So how to write 9? For 9 what you will do? You will do 10. This is 10 and before this you will write 1. Before this means you have to subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Now how to write 10? X means 10. So this is 10. Now how to write 11? In 11 what you will do? You write 10 and after this you will write, because after this it will get added up. 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Here see we have written before this 10. That means it got subtracted. 10 minus 1 is 9. After if we write to the right side of the greater value, that means it will get added up. That means 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. So you have understood how to write till 11. Now let's see how to write from 12 to 20. Now how to write 12? You write 10 plus 1 plus 1. 10, 11, 12. Now let's see here 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 12. How to write 13? 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. How to write 14? 10, okay. 10 you write. And you know how to write 4? See here, how to write 4? Where it is here? You will write 10, okay. It is 14, 10 written. Now how to write 4? You know, this is 4 now. So write here 4. This is 10 and 4, 14. 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. How to write 15? 10 plus 5. This is 10 and 5. That means 10 plus 5 is equals to 15. How to write 16? 10 and you know how to write 6? 5. This is 1. That is 6. This is 6. So 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. 10 plus 6 is equals to 16. Now write 17. 10, then 7. 10, 7, 17. 10 plus 7 is equals to 17. Now write 18. 10, okay. Then you write 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. How to write 19? 10 and you know how to write 9? This is 9. So if you will learn how to write a Roman number till 9, it will be very easy for you, and if you will know the basic symbols, that are 7 basic symbols of the Roman numeral system, then it will be very easy for you to write. Now 10 plus 9 is 19. So 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. How to write 20? 10 plus 10. That is 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. So in this way you will write the Roman number. So this was just table 1 till 20. Now after this we will start from 21 to 40 how to write. Okay. So I think you have understood how to write till 20. Now let's do from 21 to 40. We have seen table number 1 before this, and table number 1 consists from 1 to 20. Now let's do table number 2. In table number 2 the numbers are from 21 to 40. Now we will learn how to write in Roman system from 21 to 40. Now see here how to write 21 in Roman system. See 2, 1, 21. Okay, that means 10, 10, 20 again plus 1 is 21. 10 plus 10 plus 1 is equals to 21. Okay, now how to write 22? 10, 10, 20, 1, 2, 22. 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 22. How to write 23? 10, then again 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. That is 23. 10 plus 10, 20, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 23. 10, 20 and this 1, 2, 3, that means 23. Now how to write 24? 10, 10, 20. You know how to write 4? See here, this is 4, so this is 24. 10 plus 10 plus 4 is equals to 24. Okay, now how to write 25? 10, 10, 20, and you know how to write 5. 10 plus 10 plus 5 is equals to 25. How to write 26? 10, 10, 20, and you know how to write 6. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 6 is equals to 26. How to write 27? 10, 10, 20, and 7, 27. 10 plus 10 plus 7 is equals to 27. 28, 10 plus 10, 28. That means 10, 10, 20 plus 8 is equals to 28. Now write 29, 10, 10, 20. Do you know how to write 9? So right here, this is 10, 10, 20 and 9, 29. 10, 10, 20 plus 9 is equals to 29. How to write 30? We will write 10 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That means 10, 10, 20, 30. We can repeat, I have said till 3 times you can repeat the any symbol of Roman number. 1, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. Now how to write 31? 10, 10, 10, 31. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 is equals to 31. So now let's write for 32. 10, 10, 20, 32. 10 plus 10 is 20. 30 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 32. Okay, now 33. 10, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 33. 33. Now write 34. 10, 10, 20, 30. You know how to write 4 already. So write here 4. So this is 30, this is 4. 10 plus 10, 20, 30 plus 4 is equals to 34. How to write for 35? 10, 20, 35. 10, 20, 30 plus 5 is equals to 35. 36. 10, 20, 36. 10, 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 6 is equals to 36. Now how to write 37? 10, 20, 30, and you know how to write 7 already. This is 37. 10, 10, 20, 10, 30 plus 7 is equals to 37. How to write 38? 10, 20, 38. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10 plus 8 is equals to 38. Write 39, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, and you know how to write 9, so this is 39. Now 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 9 is equals to 39. Okay, now how to write 40? Now for 40 don't write this 10 4 times. Okay, don't repeat this symbol 4 times. Don't write for 40 like 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 10, 20, 30, 40. It will be wrong. It is wrong. I have already said we can repeat the Roman symbol maximum 3 times. So how to write 40 now? How to write 40? So you know the symbol of 50. For symbol of 50 is L. Symbol of 50 is L. Now you will say it is written 40. I have written L, which means 50. Because I have written this because before this I will write 10. Remember now the rule. I have already said you the rule that if any symbol of a smaller value is written before the symbol of greater value, we have to subtract. This is 50, this is 10. Don't read like this, that this is 10, this is 50. That means 10 plus 50 is 60. It will be wrong. See here, I have already said in my rules. Why I have said you the rules before teaching you this Roman number, so that it will be very easy for you to write and understand. Okay, I have already said in my rules that if we are writing any Roman symbol of a smaller value before the greater value, if we are writing to the left side of the greater value, this is of greater value, L means 50 and this means 10. So this I have written before the greater value. So we have to subtract this. So L means 50, L means 50 and X means 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. So the symbol of 40 is like this, XL. We write symbol of 40 is XL. Now understood why we write XL? This is 50, 50 minus 10 is 40. 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay. So if before this we have subtracted and we got 40. So if it is written after that, then what the value will be? It will be 60. Like this here. 50, L means 50. And if we are writing after the greater value, that means to the right side of the greater value, its value get added up. This is 50, this is 10. So 50 plus 10 will be 60. Okay, so this in your table it was up to 40. This is in Hindu Arabic system and this is Roman system. Okay, this we have written in Roman numeral system. Okay, so this we have completed our table. I have done all. Okay, from 1 to 40. To teach you how to write, I have done all. Okay, so this was question number 1. Now let's move to question number 2. In this question, they have said to write these Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numerals, right? Okay. So this is in Hindu-Arabic numeral. Now let's write 30. How to write? 10, 10, 20, 10, 30. See, 10, 10, 20. Again plus 10 is 30. Now how to write 49? I have already at last I have said you how to write 40. XL means 40. XL means 40. That means 50 minus 10 is 40. XL means 40. And it is what? 49. So after 40, what you will write? 9. So this has become 49. Now how to write 100? For 100, what we write? C. Okay. So now let's see our question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is write the following Roman numerals as Hindu-Arabic numerals. In question number 3, we have to write these Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now let's see. See, this one is 10, 10. This one is 10 plus 10. This means 5. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. So this Roman numeral we will write in Hindu-Arabic numeral. This 2, 5, 25. Now let's see this one. Let's do number F. L means 50. See, this symbol is of smaller value and it is written after the greater value. So it will be added up. Okay, we will add this. Okay, and after that what is the 1? Again this 1 is of smaller value written after the greater value. It is written right side of the greater value. 10 is of greater value and 1 is of smaller value. So this will also get added up. So 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 1 is 61. So write here 61. So in this way you can write the value of these Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay, we have done question number 3 also. We have written the Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Okay. Now let's see our last question of this exercise, that is question number 4. Now let's see what is question number 4. Question number 4 is choose the correct option. In this question there were 4 questions. I have taken A and D to show you. Now let's start. What is the Roman numeral for 39? 39 is in Hindu-Arabic numeral. We have to choose the correct option which is written in Roman numeral. Okay, so we have to choose the correct option for 39. Now let's read. See, this one is 1, 10, 10 and L means 50. This has no meaning only. This is meaningless and it is wrong also. Okay, it is wrong. It is not. This Roman number do not have any meaning. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Okay, 10, 10, 20 plus 10 is 30. Can you see this? This is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. So 10, 20, 30 and this one is 9. So 39. So what it is? 39. Now let's read this also. Let's read this two also. This one is 40. XL means 40 and this means 9. This is 49. Now last one is, see here, 10 is written 4 times. So this one is wrong and no need to read also. This is wrong because I have already said you that we can write the symbol maximum up to 3 times. But here you can see it is written 4 times. That means it is wrong. No need to read also. It is wrong. So which one is correct? This one is correct. 10, 10, 20 plus 10, 30 and this one is 9, 39. So this one is the correct answer in Roman numeral. This was written in Hindu Arabic numeral. We have to find the correct option in Roman numeral. So this one is the correct answer. Now let's see number D. Which of the following Roman numerals is less than, what it is? 10 and this one is 4, 14. So out of this 4 option, which is less than 14? This one is 14. We have to choose the answer which less than, this is written in Roman numeral, okay, and this means 14, 10 and this is 4, 14. So which one is less than 14? Now let's see. This is 10 plus 6, 16. Now let's write in Hindu Arabic numeral also so that it will be easy for us to take. Then this one is 10 plus 3, 13. This one is 10 plus 5, 15. This one is 10 plus 9, 19. Okay, now see which one is less than 14. This one is 14 I said. So which one is less than 14? This one. 13 is less than 14. So this one is the correct answer. Okay, this one is the correct answer. So with this we have completed our exercise 1.4, and exercise 1.4 is also the last exercise of this chapter, 1 large numbers. But there is one more exercise at the end of this chapter, that is revision exercise, and that is for you. Okay, you will do this exercise by yourself. Okay, you will try by yourself because already I have taught you all the questions and what types of the questions are also there. I have taught you already, and this revision exercise you will practice by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, and whatever I am doing on the blackboard, you will do as classwork. Okay, and whatever homework I am giving you, you will do as revision exercise. You will do by yourself.